Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a song to your Facebook profile. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add a song to your Facebook profile, in order for us to successfully accomplish this, all we need to go ahead and do is to launch the Facebook application and then proceed with tapping on your menu tabs. Now, if you can't necessarily see the music tab on here, doing a quick search or scrolling through your U tabs and then going on your profile, tapping on your names, going over here onto the bottom until you see the option to add a music on your profile should give you the option to add music directly to your profile. So if you can't necessarily see that, just going over here under manage posts, you will see the option to add a music option to your profile. Just make sure that you do not have something like this. My account is currently a professional account, which is why it shows me these metrics and dashboard, and also not allowing me to add music on my profile. But if you do have a normal account or a normal profile, you are going to have the option to proceed with adding music just by tapping on the music tab or the music setting and then proceeding with adding a song to your profile. Now, essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.